Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I would like to share with you what I received in this Sew Sampler box for July 2024 from Fat Quarter Shop. I purchased this. This is a monthly subscription, and let's see what I've got in here. And the fabrics and the collection is called Playful Summer, July 2024. And on this, they give you a 20% off coupon on your next order and a quilt pattern that you can download from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a little basket. It's cute. And that would be nice to have next to your sewing machine, maybe to catch your scraps, threads, things like that, or just use it to hold some fabrics. Since this was their 100th box from Fat Quarter Shop, they gave this as a bonus to everyone. And it says Sew Sampler 100. And this is a little stash and store. I've never had one before. This is their mini. And what you can do with this is put like your seam ripper in there, your scissors in there, different things, and have it next to your sewing machine. So that's nice. It's cute. They include a little brochure that lists the retail prices of everything that's in the box and some information about them. The fabrics, there's 3 charm packs. That's a lot of fabric. And the fabrics are called 30s Playtime by Lindsay Cole McCrae. And this is a vintage look. You can see the fabrics that they do. They make you think of the 30s. Really pretty. And it looks like here is the 5 Stars quilt pattern that Fat Quarter Shop has included to use with these fabrics. And this is a paper piece pattern. So they have included the foundation papers that you would use to make the quilt. And it's really nice thin paper with everything on here, and this makes it very, very nice to go ahead and make your blocks. They've also included a glue pen, and this is what you will glue down, especially your first piece when you're paper piecing, to hold it in place. Nice. Every month, Fat Quarter Shop also gives a free quilt pattern for this year. I think they're doing baskets. This is my first box, so I've only got this one pattern, but it's pretty neat. So that was what was included in the box. And like I said, this is a subscription with Fat Quarter Shop, and I'll have a link below. I want to show you one thing. Last month, I made a table runner using that same quilt block, the Woven Star. A lot bigger blocks, but just so you can see, it is a beautiful block. But I'll be making this with the foundation papers. So thank you.